the demand for food manufacturing equipment has been continuously increasing, and the main reason is that there has been increase in consumption of ready-to-eat and processed food. There has been a shift in the demand for the ready-to-eat food. Also, like the consumer is now increasingly moving towards more nutritive, more healthy food options. So this essentially requires the food processing industry to also continuously innovate to have these options available to the consumers. So most of the food equipment that is deployed in the industry today is either fully automated or semi-automated, and the reason is to achieve consistency as well as quality in the output of these machines. Also, the components that go into the processing equipment are of super high precision to ensure that there is quality, safety, as well as hygiene in the production process. Given that there is a lot of variety in the processed food, this requires that the equipment is highly customizable. There are different component SKUs available for different use cases, and with the increasing demand, it becomes a lot of times challenging for the equipment manufacturers to store different SKUs because these equipment is generally bulky. So there's a lot that can be done to foster the industry in India. Currently, most of this equipment is imported from countries in Europe, from US, and given that we have so much growing demand in the country, we should ideally be in a position that a lot of this equipment is built in India. So this requires that there are such technological advancements available in India for the industry. There are a lot of initiatives available for the food processing sector, but at the same time, there need to be incentives in place for the equipment manufacturers as well that support this industry. And secondly, given the need for so many customizations, such a different variety of equipment that is in demand from the industry, there is a good support infrastructure that can be possible for the equipment manufacturers by the means of on-demand manufacturing. Using an on-demand manufacturing platform like Karkhana.io, such equipment manufacturers can opt for just-in-time manufacturing of these equipment to suffice the demand coming from different customers, and also offer them the customization that is required to meet the needs of the end consumer of processed food.